Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you step by step how to use the VT Markets Broker dashboard. When you enter the trading cabinet in the VT Markets Broker, as you can see, in the home section, your real accounts are displayed, side in the middle part of the page. In this section, the title Live Accounts clearly shows you this information. This means that you are viewing your real accounts, not demo accounts. If you also have a demo account, you can switch to your demo accounts page using this option. The filter options at the top, all MT4 and MT5, are for displaying your accounts based on the type of trading platform you use. The first option displays all accounts. In the second section, only MetaTrader accounts are shown, and in the third section, on only MetaTrader 5 accounts. In the Select Status section, you can filter accounts by their status. For example, active accounts, inactive accounts, accounts under review, and so on. In this section, you can see that the displayed account is a MetaTrader 4 account. Your trading account number is listed here. And currently, your account status is inactive. In the credits and balance section, you can see the accounts, funds, and credit, which are currently empty. At the bottom of this account, you can see the leverage account type and the server used for connecting in MetaTrader. In the gear icon section, the settings or more options related to this account will open for you, which include changing the password and changing the trading account password. Here you can see the Open Live Account option, which is for opening a new real account, and the list icon, which is for viewing accounts in a list format or changing the display type. At the top of the page, you can see an advertising banner, the purpose of which is to introduce the broker's latest update. By clicking on the Try TradingView option, you will enter the TradingView trading platform so you can trade directly on the charts through VT Markets. Further down, you will see a security warning, which refers to two-factor authentication for withdrawals via cryptocurrency and your electronic wallet. It states that this is absolutely mandatory, and if you want to increase the security of your account, you need to click on the Enable Now button and activate two-factor authentication. On the left-hand menu, you can see the Home option, which is your main dashboard, as the very page we are currently on. The next option is Account, which is used for managing your personal accounts, changing your password, and updating your user information. The following section is related to fund management, which includes several subsections. The first subsection is Deposit Funds, which is for depositing money into your trading account. The next option is related to Withdrawal, where you can withdraw funds from your account. The following option is for transferring funds between your internal accounts. As you can see in this section, we receive an error indicating that no trading account was found. This is because our trading account in the VT Markets Broker is currently inactive. The next section is Payment Detail, where your registered bank account or wallet information is displayed. If you wish to add new information, you can click on this option. The next section is Transaction History. In this section, your transaction history and financial details are shown. This includes transactions related to deposits, withdrawals, and internal transfers. And by clicking the Export option, you can export your transaction history as an Excel file. In the next section, which is Downloads, you can download trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as the mobile application by scanning this QR code. The next section is related to your profile. In the My Profile section, the personal information you entered during registration and the completed registration form will be displayed to you. And your UID is shown in this section, and by clicking this option you can by default copy your UID in the VT Markets broker. The next section is related to security management. In this section you are shown that your registered email has now been verified, marked and accepted by the broker. We already did this in the video about registration and verification, and you can review this in our videos. However, regarding the security management section, you are able to enable two-factor authentication, password verification, and verification of your registered email address. The next section is related to ProTrader Tools Analyst with the first part concerning analyst views. This section provides you with daily fundamental and technical analyses from professional market analysts. One of the features of this section is offering buy and sell signals for currency pairs, indices, gold, and other assets. The next part is related to Market Buzz. This tool is AI-based and analyzes market sentiment and news trends, and one of its features is gathering news and analyses from hundreds of reputable sources. The next section is related to the economic calendar. This section is a classic but very essential tool for fundamental traders. In this section, important economic events such as interest rate announcements, unemployment reports, inflation, and so on are displayed for you. It's very important for risk management, especially if you're a scalper or day trader. You need to know when the market will be highly volatile. The next part is related to featured ideas. In this section, technical analyses are provided automatically by algorithms or with the help of analysts. One of the features of this section is ready-made trading ideas for different symbols. And here, technical analyses along with charts are displayed for you. The next section is related to the signal sender. This tool, SMARM, is a combination of professional human analysis and machine algorithms and maintains that generates trading signals. And one of its features is providing signals on various assets such as forex, gold, oil, and so on. The next section is related to VTrade. VTrade is a copy trading and social platform that allows you, if you are a professional trader, to showcase your trades to others and earn income by attracting followers. The first section is about becoming a provider. This section is specifically for traders who trade professionally, have a good track record of profitability, and are interested in earning extra income by attracting followers to their trades. This is the registration page for this section. After registering, you will be given a public trader profile where followers can view your performance and trading history. And for each follower and their trading volume, you will receive income, fees, and commissions. The next section is Become a Follower. In this section, you can become a follower. This section is for those who don't have enough time or expertise for analysis and want to benefit from the experience of professional traders. In this section, you can choose from among hundreds of traders using precise filters such as profit, risk, and trading style, and copy their trades. After connecting, that trader's trades will be automatically copied for you, and you can also set the amount of capital, stop loss, or automatic stop. We will explain this section in full in the video related to copy trading on the VT Markets broker. The next section is logging into VTrade. Logging into the VTrade panel, this button is for accessing your exclusive VTrade dashboard. You can view the list of traders and their performance in this section. By entering the server unknown username and password for your account, you will access this panel and be able to connect your account to a specific trader. Please note that to use this section, you must have a real account with the VT Markets broker. The next section is related to promotions. where you can view incentive plans, bonuses, competitions, and active campaigns. And in this section indicates that this item has been recently added to the VT Markets broker. The first part is the Active Trader program, which is a program for active traders who, upon reaching a certain trading volume, receive cashback or discounts on spreads and commissions. It is suitable for those who trade professionally and consistently. The next section is VPS refund. In this section, if you use a virtual server for trading in you can get its cost refunded by the broker provided you meet a certain monthly trading volume. In this section, you can review the frequently asked questions related to this topic. The next section is referral frame. By inviting friends to the platform, you receive a cash reward and both of you benefit. The invited person must register, deposit funds, and start trading. In this section, after registering, you can receive your exclusive referral link and send it to your friends. The conditions for receiving this link are that you must open a real trading account with the broker, fund your account, and trade for 30 days. The next section is the deposit bonus. In this section, with every deposit, a percentage bonus is added to your account, which can be used for trading, and withdrawing the bonus is usually conditional on completing a certain trading volume. In this section, you can also view the history of the bonuses you have received. The next section is the daily newsletter, where market analyses and daily news are sent to you via email or through the panel. It's suitable for starting your trading day with awareness of important events. The next section is ClubBleu, which is the customer club or loyalty system for active users. This section serves as the customer club and loyalty system for active users by funding your account and making trades. After registering in this section, you can take advantage of the services offered to active customers. The next section is related to support, which has two subsections. The first subsection is My Ticket. In this section, by clicking on Create New Ticket, you can submit a support ticket, and it will be displayed here for you. The next part is Contact Us, where you can see the contact information for VT Market Broker support. The address of VT Markets headquarters, the support email address, and the live chat option are available here, and you can also access this section from the bottom right corner of the page. By clicking on this option, the page for connecting with VT Markets Live support will open for you. By selecting your desired topic, you will be connected to the relevant agent and can start chatting. At the top of the page, you can see the user icon where your first and last name, your UID in VT Market, and your verification status in this broker are displayed. By clicking on this option, the verification odds will open for you. As you can see, we have already completed all the verification steps, and they have been accepted by the broker. And the logout option, which when selected, logs you out of your account in this broker via email. You can see the notification bell icon where important announcements from the broker are displayed to you in this section. The next icon is the broker's language option, where by clicking on it, you can change the language of your user panel, and after selecting your desired language, the broker's language will change. You can see a quick button for depositing funds into your account, and by clicking on it, you are taken directly to the account funding section. There is also the TradingView Trade Options Slide Chains, which is a direct access button to the TradingView trading platform for trading through charts. In this section, By entering your TradingView account information, you can directly access this trading platform. All right, these were the explanations regarding the VT Markets Broker dashboard. If any part needs further explanation or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitable trades.